Hello, all you cats and kittens.
Don't do that.
Yeah, baby. What's Carol Baskins, right?
Yeah.
Tiger King. No, anyway, hello everybody. Kim and I are on another grand adventure here at Camping World.
Woohoo! 20 minutes from home.
So we had to bring the Lance in for some more repairs. Unfortunately, we've got a couple leaks in the roof, which if you've been following us for a while, you kind of know about that. And we're finally trying to get it fixed. We bought this trailer from Curtis Trailer here in Portland, and we vowed not to ever do business with them ever again due to their service. And so we're sticking to our guns. So now we're gonna try Camping World. We're gonna find out if their service is any better. That's why we are going to vlog this and let everybody know if the service is good or bad. But anyway, yeah, so 2 leaks in the skylights, and then we also, last time we were out, we had a leak in the slide. And so we've got some issues, and we're gonna try also see about maybe getting the roof sealed up again with new caulking. It's been a couple years. That's held up pretty well. The leaks that we have, we think, are coming from the actual cracks in the skylight themselves. So,
and one thing we discovered with the skylights, because I still have all the paperwork, all the manuals and everything. The skylight manufacturer that Lance used when they built this is no longer in business. So quite possibly why they're no longer in business if their products keep failing.
All right, so thus far, service 500 times better than Curtis Trailer. Unbelievably nice folks. Michael, the guy who, the tech that helped us out here. So right now they have to order the skylights, which is going to be about a week or so. It didn't have any in stock, unfortunately. So we knew when we brought it in today that they weren't going to be able to fix it same day. So not that big of a deal. But
and it's good, you know, hopefully hearing only 1 week. When this initially happened, they were saying like 4 to 6 weeks to be able to get one.
Yeah, true.
So
it all depends on, you know, how the shipping is so weird right now with COVID and stuff. Quote wise, so much cheaper. To get the, I think Curtis wanted somewhere close to $800 to replace 2 skylights. What are they gonna, with the skylights, what are they gonna do? How much for the skylights and the install?
Install says $278, but that's for everything.
Right.
And then the skylights are $231.
Yeah.
So about $450 maybe.
Right, half of what they were charging. Unfortunately, we do have to get underneath the slide. There's a seal that wasn't very good from the manufacturer, so basically water's just seeping right down. He pulled the seal back and there's no adhesive, unfortunately. Yeah. So that's gonna be about another $400, but that's because they have to take off the awning that goes over the slide, put it back on. What a pain. So anyway, that's it. So we got to wait a couple weeks, and then we will let you know when it's all done and see how the work was.
So Jason is loading up the trailer here at Camping World. We are just picking it up after we had our roof leaks repaired, and it's raining, so it should be a good test to go see if they did what they were supposed to do.
I have to say the service here at the Wilsonville Camping World was excellent. I mean, we dealt with Curtis Trailer, which was absolute worst company I've ever worked with, and I'll never do business with them again. Yeah, but come here and then it's just complete opposite. People that work here, Michael, the guy who did the repairs, was awesome. The manager was just a great guy. So highly recommend you at least give Camping World a shot. If it's between that and your RV dealer, if you don't have a good experience with your dealer, give Camping World a shot. We won't know for sure. We'll find out soon enough if it continues to leak or whatever, but I assume everything's fixed the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah, so part of their service that Jason's raving about is we, at the last minute when we brought it in and dropped it off, we asked them to put those vent covers on, and they had no problem doing it, you know, during the time, you know, while they were already on the roof. And in addition to that, one of them, they determined the ones that we had picked out, it wasn't going to fit over the Fantastic vent in the bathroom because the Fantastic vent lid lifts too high, and so it would have hit the roof of the vent cover. So they called us to let us know that and say they had a different one in stock to use. So it's just, you know, every little step of the way they've been in contact with us, letting us know what was going on. They said they had some problems getting one of the skylights off, and so it was going to take an extra day. Called us to make sure that was fine.
So I know some people might comment and go, oh, Lance, you guys have lost, it just isn't the same trailer it used to be. And that might be true, but the issues that we had weren't necessarily Lance issues. These were issues from the manufacturers of the skylights themselves, which Lance uses, but it wasn't their product. So the trailer itself is still holding up. great. These are just those fixes that you have to do, and unfortunately, it is what it is. Some people can do it on their own and feel comfortable doing that. When it comes to roofing stuff, I don't feel like I want to do it, and I can afford to get it fixed professionally. And that way, if anything goes wrong, I can bring it back to somebody. Because if I make the mistake myself, then that's on me. As you guys know, we got some leaks fixed, Camping World, and just wanted to come up here on top of the roof and inspect it, take a look. First impressions, looks like they did a really good job. We're here at the coast for a week. We're supposed to have a lot of rain. Had some rain last night with no issues, so feeling really good about the repairs at this point, so hopefully they hold up. Another skylight that failed that we had to get redone. So anyway, that's that. And then of course they puttied it up. And then we also got some vents installed. These are Max Air. Helps with ventilation, so you can keep the vents open inside the trailer. A lot of times, especially when you get wind, they start to flap around and make a bunch of racket. Now this kind of helps protect. Also helps with any kind of leak issues that you could possibly run into. So leave a link down below if you guys are interested in these. They're pretty cool, pretty easy to install as well. We didn't do it because they only charge us like 20 bucks per. They only charge us $20 to install it, so much better just to have them go ahead and take care of that for us. All right, everybody, that's a wrap on this video. Want to thank you guys very much for watching and for your support. Kim and I did get a chance to pretty much put that thing to a test for 2 weeks straight on the Oregon coast during a few massive storms. We probably had inches and inches of rain. We're actually working on a video of that trip right now. But just to say that kudos to Camping World for doing such an amazing job on getting those leaks fixed up for us. We're a little hesitant taking it out, especially during that storm, but no issues whatsoever. So we definitely will be looking to use those folks again in the future for any repairs. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to please leave them below. Take care and safe travels.